What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Short one today. We are actually on the way to Great Adventure and noticed we were driving right by Sesame Place. As a SeaWorld pass holder and a big fan of Sesame in general, felt like we had to stop. So we're checking it out for a bit. Probably a short video, like I said. I've heard some awesome things about Oscar's Wacky Taxi, and apparently they have another kids coaster here. So we'll see. Probably do some scouting for when we're parents, hopefully in the near future. But yeah, like I said, we'll probably be here for, maybe an hour tops. And we're continuing on a great adventure. But why don't you guys come along and check out Sesame Place with us? All right. Big Bird's house. All right, we made it in. Nice little park. Pretty cool. We're hitting Vapor Trail right at the front here. Vapor Trail. Not much to say there. It was fun. Yeah, 20-minute wait. And the operations are glacially slow, but that's all right.
What do you expect? Yeah,
seriously. Heading to Wacky Taxi, the star of the show here. Look at these lines for the water slides. It is busy here, which is crazy because I think Great Adventure will be dead in comparison. At least we're hoping so. We'll see though. Wacky Taxi. Let's go. Heard great things. Say Gravity Goop, and it's tiny, but heard it's got awesome airtime. Sleeper hit. All right, about an hour and a half later, we're leaving Sesame Place. It was busy.
Yeah, it's like almost 90 degrees, so the water park was slammed. I tried to get some footage of it, but it was really hard to film without getting children, so
yeah.
Not sure if we'll use any of that footage, but...
Did it look like a nice park, though?
Yeah, I mean, there had some slides and a pool and some splash pads, but, like, slammed.
Yeah, and I didn't really talk about Wacky Taxi. It was good. Nothing super crazy like roller coaster enthusiasts are hyping it up to be.
It's a fun, like, kiddie coaster, though.
Yeah, for sure, but it's not like a Jecto airtime like people are claiming it is. It's fun, but if you're in the area, maybe stop. But
yeah, if you have kids,
yeah,
stop.
Great kids park for sure.
Yeah.
We're continuing on a great adventure, though. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Later.